Assalamualaikum everyone. Here's my take on episode 2 of Raaja Rani. Honestly, I still feel something is off about Xavier's accident. There is a flashback scene where Xavier leaves home after an argument with his rival relatives. Maybe relatives? No, maybe relatives. On the road, someone honks at him, triggering memories of his past accident. We then see his car crashing into the side of the other vehicle. Now, in such accident where one car hits the side of the other, the person in the other vehicle is usually the one who suffers the worst injuries. In fact, the kind of trauma Xavier has implies it was a severe crash, so the other driver should have been even more seriously injured, right? Possibly even fatally. But so far, no one has talked about that. Like Xavier killed someone or Xavier injured hardly the other one. Like also, even the relative who clearly dislike him, Xavier, haven't said things like he ruined someone's life or like Xavier's killed someone. Like, it's a strange thing, I guess. That's why I'm starting to think the accident was not random at all. What if it was staged? What if the other party involved in the crash was someone hired by the real mastermind behind all this? Also, since the collision was from the side, maybe the point wasn't to permanently injure Xavier's. Maybe injure a little bit, or make Xavier scared. They won't. If they want to kill or seriously hurt him, there are more reliable ways to cause an accident, like crash, bump to bump, or so. The accident was Xavier bumps the side. So I remember Xavier was the one who crashed into the other vehicle, not the one being hit. One way, anyway. That's just my theory, my thinking. If I have misunderstood anything or if you have a different take, please let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to support the channel, please. And today's that's all. Assalamualaikum. Today's that's all. شكرا أو